Hi guys, how are you doing? Yes, we are back again on our weekly analysis. We normally do this every week. We'll come to the chart, we analyze our charts and see our bias and anticipate where price will be heading come next week. Okay, so we are here again to have our weekly analysis. So if you are a trader, stay along and learn and actually see some vital point that will help you to improve your trading journey. Okay, now guys, like last week, if you watch my analysis on Audchf, I anticipated for this very sell and it do sell. Okay, the sell really happened. So if you watch my weekly analysis on last week, you can easily catch this very sell that happened this just finished week. Okay, so now we are going to further analyze how the CHF, because we still have this very um, bias on sales alone on this very pair, because what we have seen so far, we still have, based on our technical analysis, that the trade still have more potential to drop to the downside. So come with me, let me show you some things you'll be looking at on how the CHF for you to have a very profitable trading week. Okay guys, we scale up to our weekly time frame. Like we normally do our top down analysis for us to be able to identify the market trend. So guys, if you carefully look at weekly time frame, you can see that the price is heading to the downside. This is a pure bearish market. You can see where the price is making lower lows, lower high, lower low, this lower high here, and we are still anticipating for new lower low. Guys, this is so simple. Like, you need to be considering this thing, especially in the higher time frame. Okay, it will actually improve your trading journey. So now we have seen on weekly time frame that the price is heading to the downside. What next are we supposed to do? We head down to our daily time frame to see what the daily time frame is also telling us based on price action. So now we are on daily time frame. What are we seeing? We still see that price is still heading to the downside, where we see lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower highs. You can see here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we're anticipating for new lower low. So we have seen on daily time frame that the price is still bearish on daily time frame. So let's have more insight, like check on the 4 hours time frame for us to see that we are having our bias correct. Okay, if you look at 4 hour time frame, like it's very simple to spot. Even if you are new in trading space, this is very easy for you to spot. You can see that this is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, and here new lower low. Okay, so this is simple. This simply means that the price is heading to the downside. Guys, there is no other thing we are supposed to be doing here is for us to wait for the pullback and to pull a trigger for sell position. As so simple and easy. Okay guys, so now where is our area of interest? On 4 hour time frame, I'll be expecting price to retest to this very level, this level of drop based drop here, which automatically becomes our supply zone. Okay, so now we're standing, I will scale out to my 1 hour time frame also to check a possible area of interest there. So on 1 hour time frame, there is something interesting also I found out on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have a supply zone there, which is area of drop based drop, which price is likely to respect. Okay, which price is likely to respect on this very 1 hour time frame. So I'll be expecting this very pullback to these very zones. Once you get to this very zone and it gave me the confirmation I need to enter this very trade, I will go ahead and pull my trigger. So I'll be expecting price to make this very pullback to this zone and continue head to the downside. Okay, or make further pullback to this very second zone, and continue heading to the downside. Okay, guys. So notwithstanding, on this very 1 hour time frame, there's something also I saw there that make me have this very strong bias. The price might respect that very supply zone. If you look at that very 1 hour time frame, there is still some area of structures which price also created, and it's a kind of thing that also shows that this very level is strong, because we have support become resistance here, SNR. Okay, so not only there, we still have SNR here, we still also have here. So those are the significant level that I believe, based on my analysis, that can actually make the price to respect this very level and continue heading to this downside. So guys, watch out for this very setup come next week on Audi CHF. Okay, once we get our confirmation, we'll pull the trigger and we'll take this trade to the downside. Okay, if you can be able to hold this trade, though it will take time, if you can be able to hold it, you are to at least make not less than 1:3 or 1:4 on this very setup. Okay, so so I'll be expecting to have my first take profits here. I'll be expecting to have my first take profit on this very level. Okay, so then I will hold the rest. First take profit here, then the rest down to this very zone, which is about 175 pips. Guys, this is very, very possible. Trust me, very possible. Just don't panic. Stay with the analysis and allow the price to come to you before you put the trigger. Okay, guys. So thank you for staying to this very end. And if you have not followed me, follow me, like and subscribe, and comment and share to your contacts for them to get this very useful information on how to trade on Audi USD, Audi CHF come next week. Okay, see you guys. Peace.